Hello, all. Welcome to the day 19 of the daily case study series for Cbse grade 12. The question goes like this: the bridge connects two hills 100 feet apart. The arc on the bridge is in a parabolic form. The highest point on the bridge is 10 feet above the road at the middle of the bridge, as shown in the figure. The curve given in the graph refers to the bridge. The ends of the parabola connects two hills which are 100 feet apart. So let's call the points as O, A, the midpoint is B, and the highest point as C. O is 0, 0. OA is 100 feet apart, that is OB is 50 feet and BA is 50. BC is 10 feet. C is the highest point, that is the coordinates of C is 50, 10. C is the vertex in the given parabola. The parabola is open downwards. Therefore, the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to minus 4ay. Since we have the vertex h, k, let's write the format as x minus h the whole square is equal to minus 4a times y minus k. Here h comma k is 50 10. So x minus 50 the whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus 10. To find a, let's take this origin 0, 0 minus 50 the whole square is equal to minus 4a times 0 minus 10, which is 2500 is equal to minus 4a times minus 10. 4a is equal to 2500 by 10. 4a is equal to 250. So the equation becomes x square is equal to minus 4a is 250 times y. So the answer is B. This is one way of deriving the answer. Another way is by quickly seeing the graph, we can decide. The parabola is open downwards and the curve is along the y-axis. So the variable y receives power 1. So the other variable x receives the power 2. So the equation is x square is equal to minus 250y. Subdivision 2. The value of the integral minus 50 to 50 x square by 250 dx is integral minus 50 to 50 x square by 250 dx. Since 250 is a constant, let's take it out. Integral minus 50 to 50 x square dx, which is 1 by 250 times x cube by 3 minus 52 plus 50, which is equal to 1 by 250 into 125 followed by 3 zeros plus 125 followed by 3 zeros by 3. So 1 by 250 times 250 followed by 3 zeros by 3, which gives us 1000 by 3. So the option is A. Subdivision 3. The integrand of the integral is the integrand is nothing but the quantity which has been given to us to integrate. So here integrand is x square, that is f of x is x square. F of minus x is equal to minus x the whole square, which is again x square, which is nothing but f of x. Since f of minus x is equal to f of x, the function is even. So the option is A. Subdivision 4. The area formed by the curve x square is equal to 250y, x-axis y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 10 is area is equal to integral 0 to 10 y dx, y in the form of x, y is equal to x square by 250. So when we change y to x, the limits should also undergo a change. When y is equal to 0, x becomes 0. When y is equal to 10, x square is equal to 250 into 10, which is 2500. That is x is equal to plus or minus 50. So we take the limits minus 50 to plus 50. Integral minus 50 to plus 50 x square by 250 dx, which is 1 by 250 x cube by 3, limits minus 50 to plus 50. 1 by 250 into 3, 125 followed by 3 zeros plus 125 followed by 3 zeros, which gives us 250 followed by 3 zeros by 250 into 3, which is equal to 1000 by 3 square units. So the option is C. Let's get back with another case study question tomorrow. Thank you all.